Okay, number 1636, sort array by increasing frequency. I just gave this a go and had a pretty poor solution that I needed quite a bit of help for. So now I'm going to try going through it again using the counter method, which is built into Python, and seeing if I can do it like that on my own. So straight away, I'm going to create my dictionary, and I am going to use the counter method on nums. So I should be able to just run, I want to print this, run this. This should straight away give me 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yep. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Now I want to sort this based on the, I'll go over the problem again. So given an array of integers, sort the array in increasing order based on frequency. If multiple values have the same frequency, sort them in decreasing order. So we primarily want to sort on the a key, and then we want to sort negatively based on the value. So my dict equals sorted my dict dot items. So this will split our, by sorting based on the items, which is the key value. So we want to go items 1, then we want to sort based on the negatively based on the key. So we can just go like this. Then we can just go print my dict, and hopefully this should just work. Name items is not defined. Did you mean iter? Okay. Up here I have a sort somewhere. Yeah, so I want to do this, but sort on key and value. Python sort dictionary on key then value. Okay. Key equals lambda. This is what I need. Not a 15-inch MacBook. Key equals lambda items. Items 1, items 0, but we need this as a negative because we need it to then sort decreasing. So I'll leave this as a positive. I'll just leave this out to start, and I can show you why I need that negative. So if I run this, what it's going to do is it's going to sort based on the frequency in ascending order, which is what we want. So 3, 1, we need 1, 3. Then 1, 2, we need 2 1s. Then 2, 3, we need 3 2s. So for this one, it'll work. But if we come down here to the second case, so we have 1, 1, which is what we want. Then we have 2 2s, which is what we want. But this is sorting it on increasing for the key. And we need it on decreasing. So we need to add over here negative item 0. The reason we need the negative is because we want if it's the same, we need to tie break based on the key, which is what item 0 is, and negative 2 is greater than negative 3, whereas 2 is less than. So we add the negative here to then sort decreasing on the key. So if we go here, typecast this, I'll probably get rid of this to be honest. Let's see if this gives us what we want. Yep, that looks good. And that is what we want. So then what we're going to do is we're going to do for what do we need to do here? For key value in mydict.items. So this will let us iterate over all of the keys and values in our dictionary. That's what this items method is doing here. We're going to go for underscore in range value. So for 1 we'll loop over it once, for 3 we'll loop over it twice, and for 2 we'll loop over it twice. We're then just going to create a results array, and we're going to do res.append k, and that'll append our key value times, which is what we want. So we'll end up with a single 1, 2 3s, and 2 2s. Then down here, we can just return our results array and submit, and this should work. Yep. There's definitely nicer ways to do this where you can skip that last loop. Yeah, something like this is just sorting it straight away so you don't need the extra list, which is actually pretty smart. It's doing the same lambda method, but then it's just sorting our original list in place. So yeah, that's how you do it, and yeah, awesome.